In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create debit and credit account ledger in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a new blank workbook. This gives you a clean sheet where you can build a simple ledger from scratch. A debit and credit ledger is useful for tracking money coming in, money going out, and your running balance over time. Once the blank workbook is open, go to the first row because this will be used for your column headings. In cell A1, type date. In cell B1, type description. In cell C1, type debit plus sign in parentheses. In cell D1, type credit minus sign in parentheses. Then in cell E1, type balance. These headings help organize the ledger clearly. The date column is for the transaction date. The description column is for the details of each entry. The debit column is for money added. The credit column is for money subtracted. And the balance column keeps track of the total after each transaction. Next, move down to the second row. In cell B2, type opening balance. This label shows that the amount in that row is your starting amount before any new transactions are entered. Then click cell E2 and enter your starting money. For example, you can type 5,000. This becomes the base balance for the ledger. Now you will set up the formula that automatically calculates the balance as you add debit and credit values. Click cell E3 and type equals E2 plus C3 minus D3. This formula tells Excel to take the previous balance, add any amount entered in the debit column, and subtract any amount entered in the credit column. That is what creates a running balance, which is one of the most important parts of a ledger. After entering the formula, press Enter. Then click back on cell E3. You will see a small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag that small square downward until you reach cell E20. Excel will copy the formula down the balance column and adjust each row automatically. This saves time and helps keep your calculations consistent. At this point, your debit and credit account ledger structure is ready to use. You can now enter transaction dates, descriptions, debit amounts, and credit amounts in the rows below, and the balance will update automatically. That covers everything you need to know.